Hey, welcome back. We have our bourbons, we have our glasses poured, and I have the envelope with my wife's initials. That can mean only one thing: bourbon blinds. All right, we're going to get right into it here. We have the 3 Knob Creeks that I have on hand. This is, now these are before, I bought these slightly before they started putting the 9 on them, but these are the same thing. These are the 9-year. This is the 100 proof small batch. I have the small batch 120 proof, and it actually says age 9 years right there. Small, but they started putting the big 9 on the side. And then I have the 12-year right here. So I have no idea which glass has which in it. I tried to pour all the glasses very even. I tried, they're all very similar amber color. And I know from kind of reviewing these before, side by side, that they are very similar in notes and profile and everything. So I am probably going to bomb on this. My only hope here is that the one in the middle here is a 120 proof. Maybe we can pick that up. So I'm going to slide these bottles over out of the way. Feel free to scroll around if you want to. But we're going to start with A. Now, I poured these out, and my wife stuck these little labels on here in random order and marked the paper and put it in the envelope and sealed it. So let me go ahead and swirl A and see what kind of nose I get off this thing. I get Knob Creek. That's the nose I get off this. It's very Knob Creeky. Oh, it's got the vanillas. It's got the apple. It's got the little darker oaky note to it here and there. Yeah, it's very Knob Creek. So let's swirl B and see if it's any different. You know what? This one's a little softer on the nose. This one came through a little better. Yeah, picking that one up slightly stronger. Let me check out C. Yeah, I think this one is the softest on the nose in the middle. Go back over here before I burn my olfactories out. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, this one I think has more distinct notes coming out in it. This one is second and that one's third. So I'm going to try to get some legs off these things. I would hope that there is a difference here between them. Medium thin trails. Let's see what we get. It looks like B may be, no, C is running pretty good. Boy, they're all very similar. Wow, these are so similar. Color-wise, let's look. Just about identical. Let me try this one. Just about identical. I don't know. Man, if there is a difference. Let me do the paper up here, because this is getting ticky. Maybe a tiny bit later. Okay. Maybe. Let me go back to A again. A may be a slight bit. Man, this is hard to tell. Okay, A, good notes. C, decent notes. Maybe there may be a little more cherry. Man, they're very close, very close. I'm gonna start tasting these things. It tastes like Knob Creek. B. Tastes like Knob Creek too. I think A was a little punchier. Okay, it's probably, I'm getting a hint here. C. All right. If I had to guess, I would say A is the 120. Okay. Yeah. B is the 100 and C. So we'll put these in order here of what I think they are. Yeah. Now, I think this is the way it goes here. And I will tell you why here just shortly, but let me do this one more time. Yep. Okay. Okay. Got that. Finish. I'm dissecting what it feels like all the way going down, what level of warmth I'm getting, the spices in the back, everything. I'm not vocalizing, I'm concentrating. Hang on. I like that. I think, gosh, I love Knob Creek anyway. And the difference here is extremely subtle. I'm hoping C is the 12 because I'm getting some really good notes off of C. That it's giving me a little more complexity than the other two. This one feels hotter, feels stronger, especially on the finish. I think this is a 120. These notes are very close, very close. But I think B is the 100. And this kind of stands apart. It is very subtle, very subtle. Actually a little tiny bit sweeter, but darker in flavor, if that, but again, very subtle. So let's see if I'm right. And like I said, I could bomb on this all the way. So before I look, I said 120, 100, and 12. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh, I nailed it. Nailed it. I'm so glad C was the 12 year. I can tell you now, I put the regular knob against the Knob Creek 12. And I didn't really, like doing it blind, I was really dissecting it more than I was during that review. But they are very close. But after doing the blind now, I really honestly think the 12 years worth the money. I'm so glad C was the 12 because that is just, wow. It's like Knob Creek is good. And then this is like really good. You know, it just, that little flourish of a little bit better. It does add just a little to the sweetness, but it's counterbalanced by a little more like darker notes of fruit and a little more oakiness coming out in it. I like that Knob Creek 12. For a standard everyday bourbon, you know, little sniffer. So, BAC. So it should say B, wait a minute. Oh, no. B was the 100 proof. So we'll put them in order that they're listed here. B. Yeah. So that was the first one I had written down. I wrote these and then she put the letters on them. So it should say B, A, and C. Yes, it does. BAC. Regular Knob Creek 109 year, Knob Creek 129 year, Knob Creek 12. All right. I could really tell on the 120. I do appreciate the 120 because it does have a longer finish and gives me that little warmth in there better than the others. And you know, I've said it before, I like the higher proofs, but in trying to figure these out, I think that if they had a Knob Creek 12, maybe even a 120, man, that would really be good. That would really, really be good. I don't even know. They may have it. I don't have it. I haven't seen it. So if not, hey, Knob Creek, come on, give us a 12-year barrel. All right. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. As always, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell down there for notifications. Share me out, and I promise I'll keep bringing you these videos.